Find the first three terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 3 minus 2x to the power 5, giving each term in its simplest form. So to answer this, we first need to rewrite this expression, 3 minus 2x to the power 5. So 3 minus 2x to the power 5. Okay, so what we need to do now is rewrite this in the form of 1 minus whatever x to the power n. So to do that, what we do is inside this bracket itself, so open the bracket. So we take the factor 3 out, so it becomes 1 minus 2 over 3x. And we close the bracket and we write to the power 5. So what I've essentially done here is I've wrote 3 minus 2x as, taking the 3 common out, I wrote 1 minus 2 over 3x. So when I expand this, so let's do 3 times 1 and 3 times minus 2 to the power 3 as 3 minus 2x. So that's what I've essentially done. So moving on, so now what we need to do is we need to like eliminate this big bracket here. So what we do is we assign power 5 to each of the terms. So you write 3 to the power 5 bracket 1 minus 2 over 3 x to the power 5, and that's equal to 243 bracket 1 minus 2 over 3x to the power 5. So now what we need to do is we need to expand 1 minus 2 over 3x to the power 5 using binomial expansion. So 243 bracket 1 minus 2 over 3x close bracket to the power 5. 243 square bracket 1, there'll be a first term in the binomial expansion, plus 5 times minus 2 over 3x, so yeah, 3x, and then we do plus 5 times 4 times negative 2 over 3 negative 2 over 3 x squared. So we have to square negative 2 over 3x divided by 2 factorial, and plus we put dots like that just to show that there are other terms, but the question is asking for the first 3 terms. So we close the bracket here and then we write 243. Okay, this time we can use the normal brackets. 1 take away 10 to the power 3x plus 40 over 9x squared plus, okay, and then now we expand this bracket. Answer to the question.